Okay, let's take a start now. So, do you think your city is noisy? Or how is the noise level in your city?
एक्चुअली सर मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत वीक है.
इंग्लिश बहुत वीक है,
हाँ जी.
आसान क्वेश्चन कर
जी
लेते
सर.
हैं, ठीक है. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर?
माय फेवरेट कलर इज रेड
व्हाई?
बिकॉज
Red is a beautiful color.
रेड इज अ ब्यूटीफुल कलर
It's a color of love,
इट्स अ कलर ऑफ लव
and that's why I like red color.
दैट्स
Okay. Where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम लाहौर.
Okay. What is your favorite place in Lahore?
मीनार पाकिस्तान.
Why? Because it is a historical place.
बिकॉज इट इज हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस.
Okay. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is.
रेस्टोरेंट इज किम्स डेरा.
Okay. Why do you like it?
चिकन कढ़ाई.
They have very nice chicken curry.
They have very nice chicken कढ़ाई because
Okay. All right. Let's go on. What do you do in your free time?
I will
In
I-
my free time,
in my
I.
free time I will do watch movies and some activities like games.
Okay. Do you watch television?
Sometime
Okay. What do you watch on TV?
news.
What type of news? Okay, what's your favorite TV program apart from news? Other than news, what is your favorite TV program?
कोई खास नहीं.
All right. Okay, thank you. For a start, it's okay.